Hey, Lou here from RV Habit. We're going to try and get this video in. It's off and on rain and humidity is literally 100% with gnats everywhere. After talking to a whole bunch of RVers, everybody loves their new 17-inch Blackstone griddles. It's all the rage. So I wanted to try it out, but I didn't go with Blackstone.
What?
I went with Camp Chef, and it's called the VersaTop. It's a 14-inch grill. And I'm going to show you everything that comes with it, and that's why I went with it. But first we're going to unbox everything. So this comes one unit. This is the Versa grill. You can buy this separately, and we'll open it up. So I got the box opened. Comes with a product catalog. Box of parts. This is the box, cooking box. And it's got one knob, automatic piezo lighter, piezo as they say. And this is the griddle portion. Let's see if I can open this. Okay, and this, get this all out, is the griddle top. And it's pretty heavy. Now, the Camp Chef, this comes pre-seasoned. And it sits on there just like that. And if you look at the bottom, it's got a wind guard also. Grease goes in here, and I'm sure there's a drawer that goes in here to collect the grease. Again, it's the VersaTop. It's a 14-inch griddle. Actually pretty nice. Looks like it's in pretty decent quality. And we'll open this box up, see what's in here. Okay, so we have the propane regulator. It's going to go on the side here. And looks like some adjustable feet that screw into the bottom. And a grease cup. Let's get rid of this. Grease cup that goes right on the side here. So when you want to empty the grease, just take that out. Not bad. Let's turn it over. Let's get the feet on. And they just screw into the bottom here. Okay, so the feet are on, and again, they're adjustable, so you can get this as level as possible. You want it, if you're cooking on a griddle, you want it to be as level as possible. The inside has an oval type burner with one in the center also for even heat, and like I said, a piezo igniter. And that is the VersaTop. VersaTop grill. Now, what's cool about this is you can buy this all alone, just as a griddle, but you can also buy some accessories for it. That's what I've done, and I'm going to show you them now. So the first accessory I've bought for the VersaTop grill is this barbecue grill box, and basically it lets you grill. You can remove the griddle and put this grill box on. So let's open this up and see what this is all about. Okay, nice black box. It's got a lock on it, a temperature gauge. Open that up. It's got actually a lot of stuff in it. Shipping straps. It looks like another product catalog and some instructions. And this looks like a handle. That's just what that is. It's a handle that we're going to install on the front here. And I think the grates are underneath. They are. So it's got this grease, like evaporator tray there. And then it's got this big, these are supposed to be cast iron. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it's nice. A pretty heavy cast iron grate to cook on. Again, this is just a box, so basically when you want to use a grill, you remove the griddle, and this box will sit right inside the VersaTop grill, just like that. So I have the handle on attached. That was easy, just two screws. It's got a cast iron grill, so if you don't want to griddle something and you do definitely want a grill and a barbecue, you can get this box and it goes right on top of your burner. And it's got a clip for it so you can keep it closed. I'm going to remove this and I'll show you the next thing I bought for it. So the next cooktop I bought for the VersaTop is a pizza oven.
I'm in a glass case of emotion!
This is guaranteed to make friends anywhere you go. So let's open it up, and again, it's supposed to fit right on here. So I have it out of the box, same thing, product catalog and instruction booklet. Read them later. And again, this is a pizza oven, and it should fit right on top here. And again, it uses the VersaTop grill. And this, I'm going to assume, is the pizza stone that goes inside here. Again, this is packed pretty well. A lot of cardboard, a lot of styrofoam. And there it is, the pizza stone. And this will slide in here, and there's two little clips that hold it down. I'm going to have to get a driver and do that later. And the last box I purchased just a couple accessories. So I bought a grill set, spatula, scraper, some squeeze bottles. A carry bag for this one is for the barbecue box. This one's for the pizza oven. And this is the VersaTop grill bot. So a bag for the bottom so everything can travel with me. So everything has a bag, and I have a spatula and scraper kit for the griddle. And holy cow, there's a deer coming right towards me. I gotta show you this. Let me see if he'll run away. You want to help me cook? No, you want to eat something. I'm not cooking. Isn't that something? Okay, see you later. So in total, I got the VersaTop grill by Camp Chef, and that comes with a griddle top. Pretty heavy, and it comes pre-seasoned. I bought the accessory barbecue box, so I can actually barbecue also, and that comes with a thermometer and a cast iron grate. And of course, I bought a pizza oven. and that comes with a thermometer too. Who don't like pizza? And I bought accessory bags for everything and some utensils. Everything's from Camp Chef.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Next video, hopefully I can cook something on it and we'll test it out. I appreciate everybody watching. If you haven't subscribed, then I'll see you soon.